What's good, traders? The Qs were down 2.00% today, and the breakdown traders were waiting for finally showed up. A major demand zone failed, sellers took control, and by the closing bell, the framework had everything it needed to trigger. Let's break down exactly what happened and what matters heading into tomorrow. The demand zone that held the line during the prior session is gone. Today, the Qs broke through it cleanly, closed below it with conviction, and the framework delivered a full signal on the close. Zooming out to the daily, the demand zone between 695.25 and 713.15 is now consumed. Today's close at 693.69 confirms the body close below it, and that zone flips to resistance going forward. Volume came in well above average, confirming real participation behind the move. Overhead, the bigger distribution zone still sits between 741.01 and 748.65, but the immediate story is the level that just broke and what comes next below it. Dropping to the hourly, the attempted gap up at the open got rejected immediately, and sellers controlled the entire session from there. The heaviest volume of the day came on the final hour, confirming sellers were pressing into the close rather than fading. The lean is bearish, and today removed the ambiguity. Buyers need to reclaim 695.25 with a body close to put the breakdown in question. Should sellers press below 686.37, that level has now been tested twice. Buyers stepped in there in the prior session and again about a month earlier, and a second failure there shifts the focus toward the mid-670s, an area this chart hasn't traded since early in the broader move up. The line in the sand is 711.28. A body close above invalidates today's move entirely. Down to the 5-minute, the closing candle delivered everything the framework requires: strong body, close near the low of the range expansion, and volume nearly 5 times the threshold. All 4 criteria: full alignment across every time frame, and a 10 out of 10 setup. The short is valid heading into tomorrow. Above 695.25, buyers reclaim the zone and the breakdown thesis weakens. Below 686.37, sellers extend the move toward the mid-670s. Between 686 and 695 is the range that defines tomorrow's continuation. A close like this, full alignment, volume nearly 5 times the threshold, 10 out of 10, is the framework at its clearest. The job now is to execute the plan exactly as built. Entry at 693.83, stop at 696.45, target at 686.37. Have the levels drawn before tomorrow's open and let the structure do the work from here. 5 times the threshold on the close that breaks the level everyone was watching. That is not coincidence. That is conviction. If tonight's breakdown helped you prepare for tomorrow's session, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. I genuinely appreciate all of you who keep showing up, putting in the work, and spending a few minutes with me each night as we prepare for the next trading day. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and stay sharp.